Hi there, Andy here from Brown Dog Gadgets. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at polarity with our day 4 of week 1 circuit, and in order to correctly complete it, we're first going to need to gather the following parts. We'll need a battery holder, an LED chip, a battery, and a motor. As with all of our circuits, we'll start by creating some pathways laid atop our green Lego base plate with conductive maker tape. When correctly laid down, they should look like this. With those pathways correctly laid down, the battery holder you gathered before should fit nicely within the gap to the side of your green Lego base plate. With that arrangement complete, we can now begin to test the two components that we've gathered. Let's start with the LED. Position your LED so that the white striped side of the LED connects directly to the pathway leading from the white striped side of your battery holder. What you should see is a closed circuit and a lit LED. However, if you rotate the LED 180 degrees so that now the black striped side is connecting to the white striped side of your battery holder, we now have an open circuit and the LED is not lit. LEDs are components that only allow for electricity to flow in one direction, and so in this case, polarity matters, and not only does it matter, it allows for the entire component to either work or not work at all. Let's see how this same idea of polarity affects a different component, like this motor. I have it clipped to a forceps so that you can see a little bit better without my fingers in the way. But notice, when we connect the two leads in this orientation, the motor spindle spins clockwise. However, if we spin our pathways and connect it in the opposite direction, those same connections produce a counterclockwise motion at the motor spindle. So, polarity can matter, but it depends upon the type of component. For a more detailed look at polarity and our in-depth curriculum, visit browndoggadgets.com.